and thanks for watching. And this is going to be Oreo cheesecake. What I've done in here is put 690 grams of a non-fat Greek yogurt, plain. I happen to have the Aldi brand today, so that's what I'm using. And then inside of the mixture, I did 13 Oreo thins, and I crushed them with this so that they were all crumbled up, as well as 3 whole eggs. Sorry, you're looking at my trash can. 3 whole eggs and 1 full box of this sugar-free cheesecake box. This is the smaller version, not the huge box. 1 full box of that, 13 Oreo thins, 3 full eggs, and I did 690 grams of the non-fat Greek yogurt. Got to use my brand new mixer. I was excited about that. Here is the mixture. It's about to go into this pie dish and bake for 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then you want to chill in the fridge at least 5 hours before eating so it'll set and be better. In the next clip, you'll see this ready to go in the pie dish. Okay, welcome back. The magic of YouTube and television. Forgot to tell you that I did these Lily dark chocolate chips. These I found on Amazon. You can have 66 of those little chips for, I think it's 2 points. It's in my recipe builder. So those are in there. I forgot to tell you that. I just wanted to have a little added kick of chocolate. So this is going in the oven now, 350 degrees, about 35 minutes. And I will be back on the next clip to show you what the finished cheesecake Oreo looks like. So 35 minutes did not seem like enough. I did 5 extra minutes. It is still jiggly, but you will always have a little bit of jiggle until it sets in the fridge. So I'm going to leave this out to cool probably 30 or 45 minutes, and then I'll put it in the fridge because I'll have to leave, so I'll have to put it in the fridge. But it looks, what's hot? It looks beautiful. Oreo chocolate chip cheesecake. 3 points a slice, and this will make 8 slices.